In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Turbo Trader on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a Webull for desktop, and once you do that, in here on the left-hand menu, you want to click on Custom, which is going to be this paintbrush icon. And once you do this, you should see the option to choose a layout. Now we're going to go with a blank layout over here, but of course, if you don't see the screen and one of your layouts pop up, you want to tap on the plus up here, top right, where it says New Layout, and then you'll see this screen. So let's go with a blank layout. After you do this, the widgets tab will open here on the right. Now, if it doesn't, what you're going to have to do is click on this suitcase over here, and then it's going to say Add Widgets, and then here you want to switch on to Trade, which is the second tab. In here, you can see different Turbo Traders. So you have the Turbo Trader Classic, you have the Turbo Trader for futures, and then you have the Turbo Trader options, okay? So you can select whichever one, but this time we're going to go with Turbo Trader, the Classic option. Click on that, and then there we go. This is gonna pop up our Turbo Trader. So this is basically how you get it. However, of course, you can select all the settings as well by clicking this cog button over here. So click on Turbo Trader settings. And in here, as you can see all the available buttons. You can see the general, the place orders. You can see the place orders for options, order settings, order positions, overview, etc. So you can just set anything. You can basically check mark it to appear or to disappear essentially. And then here on the right, you can just set things however you would like them to be. So you can pretty much set any setting in here. You can change anything you would like. And after you're done, press done over here, and just like this, you've successfully set your settings and you can start using Turbo Trader on Webull. However, if you want to reset the settings to default, just click over here again, click reset to default, and then this button will be reset to default. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.